Hello guys, welcome to Blessing on Life. Let's make delicious Namkeen Siwaiyan today. So I've added 1 teaspoon of oil and I've used mustard oil. To that, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds and half teaspoon of cumin, and then add half an onion and saute it for a minute before adding 1 tomato. Saute it as well and then add chili. So I've used red chili here. Now adding our spices, which is salt and coriander powder. Keep the lid on for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once tomato is cooked, add 1 cup of water and we'll let that water boil for another 2 minutes. Now add half cup Siwaiyan or roasted semolina to it and mix. Keep the lid on for another minute or 2. The semolina will soak up all the water. Mix it well and then garnish it with fresh coriander leaves. Serve hot and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.